Removing or trimming trees can be a very dangerous job. There are so many things that can go wrong, plus you can be seriously hurt if you try to do it yourself. Don't take chances with tree removal or tree trimming. Leave it to the professionals at Arbor Barbers. Every crew member is trained to remove trees safely with minimal effect on surrounding plants as well as other trees nearby. They remove the tree, chip all brush, and recycle all debris, leaving your home or business in great condition. When the job requires it, they use heavy cranes, bucket trucks, and a host of other equipment to ensure everything is done safely and securely. Arbor Barbers has been in business since 1986, and so they understand the tree business very well. They are ISA certified arborists, so you can be sure that when they do tree work for you, it will be done professionally. So if you live in the Ewing, Lambertville, or Trenton, New Jersey areas, and you are looking for professional tree services, call Arbor Barber Tree Services at 609-730-8199. They are happy to provide free estimates before any work is completed, so there are never any surprises with their services. That number again is 609-730-8199, or visit their website at arborbarbertree.com.